So housing, one of the most contentious issues within Aberystwyth. We are constantly hearing at the Union of poor quality standards of accommodation and bad landlord management. Now you have the chance to go direct to the council and say what's going on for you. Now some of you may have received a lovely brown envelope through your door which contains a letter and another survey. But this isn't just any old survey, this is your chance to tell the council exactly what's going on in your household. Now it's only 3 pages long, and the reason they're doing this is because the licensing system is being reviewed. So Aberystwyth has traditionally had more students than houses, but now it's the other way around. However, a lot of the properties are of a bad standard, and this is why you need to tell the council in this review. What the review will do, we'll then see whether we've got the right licensing scheme in, whether landlords are meeting their standards, and whether anything else needs to be done. Now this survey only counts for those of you who are living with 2 or more unrelated people, and it is open until the 1st of December. Now if you've lost your copy, we can give you one at the Students' Union, but what we're also doing is we're holding 5 focus groups for specific areas, so you can come and question your county councillor on the proposals and find out more about what this survey will do. I strongly encourage you to fill it out. Get active, students. Housing matters.